In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam replay and your friends. Whether you've been a long time user or you're just getting started, finding your Steam replay is a great way to recap your gaming year and share it with your friends. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Steam app. Whether you're on your desktop or using the mobile app, get that fired up and ready. It's your gateway to accessing your entire gaming history and those precious replays. Once you have the app open, you'll want to click on the login button. This action ensures that you can access all the features that are available on your account. Now make sure to enter your account name and password. These credentials are what connect you to your account, so double check that your information is correct to avoid any frustration. When you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and click on Sign In. This will take you to your personal Steam homepage, the place where all the magic happens. Once you're there, it's important to remember that Steam replays are only available once a year. Now, if you're watching this video around the time they typically release them, keep an eye out for any announcements or notifications from Steam. When the time comes, you'll want to click on the notification icon once it's available. This icon is your ticket to accessing your replay, so make sure to click it. Next, click on View All. This option will open up a full list of your notifications so you can see everything at a glance. Alternatively, you can also click on your profile. Your profile houses all your important information and activity related to your gaming life. Once inside your profile, the next step is to click on Steam Replay. This section contains your year in review, summarizing your adventures in the gaming world over the past year. By default, your year in review is set to private. This means only you can view it unless you choose to do otherwise. If you decide you want to share the highlights of your gaming year, you have the option to make it public and share it on other platforms. It's a great way to connect with friends and fellow gamers, showing them what you've been up to. Just remember, sharing is entirely up to you and can be customized based on your preferences. And there you have it. An easy way to access your Steam replay and share it with others if you choose. It's a fantastic way to review your gaming journey and see how your friends have fared too. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.